Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this VonWater 7-stage filtration osmosis, reverse osmosis water system that they sent to me for this video. I gotta say, the first thing that you will have to do, by the way, there's no assemble needed, everything comes already out of the box. But the first thing you will have to do, and I just say that this is mandatory because there are a few things that you will have to understand about this unit, is to read the instruction manual. Just give it a read, just you don't have to like devour it or something like that. Just give it a read because there are a few things that you will have to comprehend. First, before using it, you will have to flush the system. I mean, this tank that is over here in the back, I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. You will have to flush it 3 times, meaning that you will have to make the cycle of this tank over here on the back, which is 186 ounces tank. It is huge. It is massive. You will have to empty this tank 3 times. Not by pouring the water, you will have to actually let the system work 3 times, but filling this 41 ounces pitcher over here, which I think it's fantastic to have that. To have this pitcher, it is really good because not only you will have fresh and also filtered water at all times over here for your guests, or if you want to drink it or something like that, but also you will have this one to put it on your fridge if you want. By the way, they also have another model that comes with cooling and heating system, both of them, but this is the one that comes with the 7-stage filtration system. Let's take a closer look. So I gotta say a few things about this one. Number one, as I was just telling you before, you will have right here, let me actually lift this lid. You will have right here the 186 ounces tank. This is gonna be your main tank over here. So you can just fill it every single time, but it's gonna take time to actually empty 186 ounces, And by the way, it has a really nice place to put it right here with the 2 filters on the bottom of it. Then you will see that this right here is going to be your main filter. This is the one that you would be replacing, but you'll now would be replacing it like in a short time. This is going to be in between, depending on the use, it's going to be 12 to 24 months. Again, depending on the use, but this one will keep you for a really good time. Then you're going to put this right here, all set. And also it has this one right here, which you can clean if you want. This is going to be your place for the mug or your water bottle or something like that, which has a magnet. So that's actually kind of good that has that magnet over here. And again, one more time, this right here is going to be your pitcher, 41 ounces pitcher. So you have the place right here. So it's going to be pouring the water, and you have a handle right here. So it's actually kind of cool if you want to put it in the fridge or something like that. You can take the lid off if you also want, but that's, not mandatory or necessary. So that is really good. Let's actually put it to work. So then you're going to put your mug over here, your water bottle, your tumbler, whatever. You can see the comes with an LED system here, so you can see it at night too. And then right here, you can select 5 ounces, 10 ounces, 17 ounces, and then also 25 ounces. This one is the complicated one. So that one, you can select the 25 ounces. I'm going to put 10 ounces right now. And then it comes with an auto-stop system with a sensor. So whenever it's sensing that this is going to act on like kind of overflow or something like that, it will stop. But then take a look at this one. You press right here. It's going to start like pouring the water. And it's going to tell you how many ounces is dropping. So if you're here at the device or something like that, you can stop it before that. By the way, it has, I want to say that is fairly quiet. I had another one before, another brand, and it's not that quiet, but this one, it is pretty quiet. So that is really cool, having that one, which is also quiet, and then it will stop right away. No issues over there. That's it. You're all set. But then if you also want to do the pitcher, remember you have this over here. So you can just drop it just like that. And you also have fresh water over there. Don't worry about spilling any water or something like that because it's super easy to clean as well. I gotta say, this one, super easy to use, really convenient. Just give it a read to the manual just because of the flushing thing that I told you before. If not, it's not gonna work. But other than that, 5 ounces, 10 ounces, 17, 25, filtered water, 7-stage filtration system with 186 ounces water tank over here, and also the 41 ounces over there as well. This thing is fantastic. It's my new water system for sure.